I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the Giannetti watermelon cutter and server. So it comes in this stainless steel, which is what I like. I like that it matches the other stainless steel things in my kitchen. So this front piece here will serve as like the cutter part, and then when you turn it on this side, it serves as tongs so that you can serve it. So when you cut your watermelon in half, all you have to do is just rake down into the watermelon and then turn it over to the other side, and then you can grab that piece just by going down and then picking it up, and then you're able to serve it. And I love how easy that is. So I love using this, and that's my point of view.